George Quenin, or media general and reporter. Nina Tema, the Community 1, and a reporter about say aircraft to be aqua cotiato by AMCC. Onuna, the Nutriamua reporter I'll share on all our platforms in Yano or DHD. Minia George, good morning.
We okay, we have
Yamiadum. Now, from Enra Becano pay at the Awagada Betiminia share, exactly the timer, incident Nisi, and Nipene Womune, and near my course so Hornunano, at the Anabetimi, at the Abominity for Santimanto.
In the end, around 2 o'clock, that will go for no September when only also move to play any number. Oh, it's no guy we saw you say, we are monitoring. But then I wouldn't say I deal with it. So more hand on boom, making the other a school, a daycare center, some metropolitan daycare center. There were more than 100 students, and now I'm age between 5 and 6. If we didn't see and right close to the when class year was 35, including the 70. And then I'm coming to the last that because I see Mammy had to teach her how to carry them away. Never been water. And she was a serious issue. But now it's like the trauma is still with them.
Wow.
Like I will forever live with them. But at the Yamini, the Mitchell we say, headmistress, one could or 2 news. There was one other lady, a general 2 years. Oh! So the headmistress, if I say, like on TV, like, oh, who be that? Suddenly, you want to say, boom. Let me say, Sitting when headmistress are sure say, or more counseling is some psychological support because they need it. They need it. And Rano, not go whatever, and aircraft accident and incident investigation and prevention bureau was there. I'm not investigation. I'm the investigators. And then they print some preliminary data. And then I'm warning soldiers, Baba, and your Mokakas here. I'm a public if you nobody above them can more hang up your heart. On the Banum Diabe 2, no more further investigation. It is a very nice way to expect the bureau there to do this. You see, let's say, and even though 2 pilots died. So this actually a light helicopter. This is a Sky Arrow Microlight helicopter. And I found maximum capacity too. It's low capacity 112 liters. It's a more than what we are. It's not so much about high. They say that you say at least students they will safe and safe and sound.
I see. Yeah, the Yamia say, but so what it means is Kwadano and any information and Omunko school.
Omunko school and Germany headmistress that's so more they can't go to school at least somewhere relaxing. They can't go to school. More than 100 of them, they can't go to school. Wow. They'll be in the house.
Wow.
So, yeah.
I see. And meaning what I said, the ministry, no name peniphobi or anything regarding Kwadano psychologically, how they want to assist. Because watching the videos, you say Kwadano are traumatized.
They're traumatized. Immediate one is for the headmistress, but the deputy defense minister, JP. About many people thought it was an aircraft that was owned by Indian Armed Forces, but they've come out to dispute it's not what it is, and really like a private something. We know somebody who personally knows the man. So man is a lecturer. So there's an aviation school at Kosu. Man is a lecturer. The man has married and changed. It's a really bad name, but because it's a confidential matter, I don't want to give you more of the information. As pilot, you don't want to give much information out there. So this is more confidential information that pilot on any brother may here. He married not long ago. The wife is pregnant. So I think it's actually a day of solemn and all that. Yeah, we thought what happened last year in August, that was the last, but there was still investigation, recommendations that were still have to take. I said we'll go through the recommendation. It should be the last. It shouldn't happen again. But it's quite unfortunate. None of the kids were done because they so like I said, the tail of the aircraft is just close to the classroom. It's what if they had landed in the class? The class was
because fire, I mean, say, you can't beyond recognition.
Almost 70. they will all die. Because if you charge body of the pilot, man, the case will be rare. In the end, I had me just say to you, and the son said, I was so a carbon, and you knew okay.
Yeah.
That came through for her yesterday. Okay. And what about one cousin, I don't know what it is.
Anyway, George, that's a pa, Bibiania, now update here. Why?
Yeah, it was better.
All right, me that's say, yeah, thank you very much. I'm for Tiano, a hot dear crack, and on update free hoba, and he said, I said it, make some also make cousin, he said, because I know be a bear for bear 1 week, crano, team in school.